Hey, it's Noe with WTI. Do you tend to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders? Well, if you're like me and tend to carry a lot of tension or tightness in your upper body or neck, then you'll want to check out this portable neck massager from ONERVA. One of my favorite things is that this neck massager is portable, which means that I can take this wherever I need it. This neck massager has really helped me to reduce the tension in my shoulders. This mini massager is easy to use, rechargeable, and can target more areas than just your neck or shoulders. I also love that I can be hands-free while using this massager. I can simply slip my hands through the provided loops, which will allow me to control the tension on my neck and shoulders, or I can simply use the buckle and strap it behind me and be able to walk about with ease. So if you're looking for a great way to decompress and relax, then check out this mini massager that's portable from ONERVA. And that's my point of view.